Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add language in Android phone. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you want to go to settings, scroll down until you find general management, click on it and then click on language. So click on add language and click on whichever language you want to add. Let's say I want to add Italiano. I can click Italia and then click on either you want to set it as a default language or you want to keep English as the default language, depending on how you want it to be. If you don't want it to set as default language, you can just hit keep current. And there you go. That is how you will be able to add Italiano into your keyboard.